the atmosphere at the Ryder Cup is extremely special. It does have fantastic television viewing. However, it's one of those events. It only happens every 4 years in Europe. It will be in Gleneagles in 2014, and then it will go to Europe. So if you're living south of Manchester, this is probably the only time you're going to get to see the Ryder Cup played out in front of you. And really, the way that it is, we have 10,000 people following a match. They will hear a roar from the other green, knowing that someone's done particularly well, and everyone will rush off to go and look at something else. And it's got that kind of Wimbledon centre court feel, that FA Cup final that you can't find anywhere else. The first tee off time is at 7:45 in the morning. Our spectators therefore need to park their cars at the park and ride around 7 o'clock to get on the shuttle bus, which should take them no more than 15 minutes to get to the Celtic Manor Resort, and then they have to walk to the first tee. As we've often mentioned, it is going to be the first week of October. Potentially the weather might not be that favourable to us. However, the last 2 years, the 1st of October has been a glorious sunny day, so we're going for a hat-trick. But what we would say is bring sensible clothing. As everybody does have to be searched through a metal archway, the quickest way to do that is to limit the size of their bags, which means when there's a bag search, someone's not spending ages. So therefore the bag size is limited to 8 inches by 8 inches by 8 inches. Now obviously there isn't someone there with a ruler measuring it, but it's just saying don't bring picnic hampers and don't bring huge suitcases that you're going to plan to have a big picnic with. The second thing is the mobile phone. From the Tuesday to the Sunday, that's including the practice days, no mobile phones allowed at all. They can either be left at home, in your car, where we do have security in the car parks, and thirdly, we have got these mobile phone deposit banks. I'd say to an Italian why you can't bring your phone in. That might for them be absolutely inconceivable, and it's learning how to say that in an understanding and considerate way, really. We have 5,500 Americans are due to come each day to the event. Obviously, they have a slightly different culture in that the Ryder Cups that they hold are often in September, they're sunny, they don't have those kind of parking issues that we do. They can park people on fields and they can normally walk over and come to the events. It's going to be more the transport infrastructure that I think is going to need the most help in communicating to different cultures.
Felly, I grynhoi, bydd ein hymwelwyr yn llawn cyffro, ond fe fydd y diwrnod hir o'i blaenau. Mae'r cyfan yn dechrau am 7 o'r gloch y bore. Felly, fydden nhw wedi blino ac yn ymddwyn fel pobl wedi blino. Os ydych chi'n gwneud cinio i ymwelwyr, cofiwch na chaiff bagiau picnic fod yn fwy na 8 modfedd wrth 8 modfedd. Gofalwch nad ydyn nhw'n dod â'i ffonau gyda nhw, cynigiwch rhywle diogel iddyn nhw i cadw nhw. Atgoffwch ymwelwyr sydd â thocynnau pleidleisio, mae dim ond drwy safleoedd parcio a theithio Llanwern a thu Tredegar y cawn nhw fynediad. Yn ola, efallai na fydd ymwelwyr yn siarad Cymraeg na Saesneg, felly byddwch yn ymwybodol o wahaniaethau diwylliannol. Byddwch yn barod i gynnig cymorth ychwanegol lle bynnag y gallwch chi.